Scientists are promoting a new substance that significantly reduces agricultural heat emissions known to exacerbate global warming. News.com has learned that biochar, the product of gradually heated organic matter like manure, untreated wood, and crop residue, has a significant effect on the atmosphere when added to soil. When farmers grow their crops, they apply fertilizer and/or manure and use different kinds of machinery to till the soil. In the process, greenhouse gases are produced and released into the atmosphere, Raj Shrestha, a horticulture research associate from The Ohio State University, elaborated. The study of biochar transpired over years and comprised tests on as many as 200 fields around the world. In the process, data was obtained from farms using conventional methods and those where biochar was employed. In the former, significantly more nitrous oxide, methane, carbon dioxide, and other heat-trapping gases were produced as byproducts, which are significant contributors to global warming. In instances where biochar was applied, nitrous oxide emissions were reduced by 18% and methane by 3%. Notably, the new overburden had no impact on carbon dioxide emissions, but when used in concert with the usual commercial fertilizers, manures, or composts, a remarkable reduction of the gas was noted. We can achieve negative emission in our agroecosystems by reducing the carbon source and enhancing the carbon sink, Shrestha explained. Biochar also offers an opportunity for recycling. Under normal circumstances, between 10 and 20% of organic carbon biodegrades into the soil. When turned into biochar, as much as 30% more can be reabsorbed. By converting the same amount of residue to biochar and then applying it to the field, we can store about 50% of that carbon into stable carbon forms, Shrestha elaborated. Another benefit of biochar is that it can last, in the soil, for hundreds of years. The study suggests that with this being the case, the planet cooling effects could be enjoyed for as long. Having established the benefits, Shrestha is now looking to pitch the idea to farmers. If we can convince farmers that converting biomass to biochar is good for the long-term sustainability of soils, the economy, and good for the environment, then we'll be able to see wide adoption of this technology, he said. Most fields included in the study were monitored between 1 and 3 years, with a mere 11% comprising medium-term, 5 to 7 years, observations. Notably, the research has not retained any data from long-term samples, which according to study finds, are needed to fully assess the durability of biochar's effects. It further noted that most of the tests were conducted in Asia, allowing for little practical experience of how the biochar will behave in other regions. This becomes an even more significant factor because soil types, climates, and biochar properties, which vary from region to region, will influence the effectiveness of the biochar.